Hi guys, what's up? It's me. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Melanie. In today's video, I am going to be doing a vinyl unboxing. I have more coming because once you start, you can't stop. It's an obsession. But I have been looking for this vinyl since I started collecting, which started collecting like a month or two ago. I'm pretty sure it was a month. But this vinyl is the reason I started collecting vinyls, okay? I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I need it. So I bought it, and I have been looking for this vinyl every freaking where, like website after website after website. I got it on Merch Buy, but it's on back order, so it's most likely not going to come because I don't think there has been any like remakes of it, I think the word I'm looking for. And so I think I'm just gonna get my money back on that one, but I also want to wait because, like, what if I do get it? It'd be brand new, but it would just be just plain black, which is I'm perfectly fine with. This is all colored vinyl. Anyways, let's go ahead and open it because this has been here since 10 o'clock in the morning. And I have been thinking about it all freaking day at school. I found out it got shipped out, and I had just been looking at the phone every 5 minutes, just reloading. So let's open it because I'm so excited. I was looking for this one everywhere. I got this on Poshmark, by the way, for $75 plus tax was $90. Oh my freaking god, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, yeah, I got this on Poshmark for $75. Are you guys ready for this? I don't think I'm ready for it. Oh my gosh, it's upside down. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is K-12 by Melanie Martinez. I have been looking. Oh, the hype sticker's not up here though. That's kind of upsetting. That's okay. This is K-12 by Melanie Martinez. I have been looking literally every fucking where for this thing. I have been looking for it since I started collecting, and all the prices have been from $200 to $400, but I was just thinking, actually, you know what? That's a lie. On Amazon, they do sell them. There was one for $50, and I was gonna buy it, but I was like, no. There was one that was like $56, and I was like, no, it's fine. I'll just buy it later because I had a whole bunch of my stuff in my car, and it was already $100. So I was like, I was gonna take stuff out, but it was like stuff I really needed. So I was like, no, it's okay. I'll wait. And I waited, and I waited till I got money again. So I was like, okay, cool. I have money again. I'm gonna go buy it. When I went to go buy it, it was gone. It was unavailable. So like with Amazon, they have like a thing where you can like choose through which ones you want. So like for vinyls, they have like if you want to be like cheaper, so you can get it like used or like good condition, new condition, brand new, like collectible. So that's what it was. So it was like the $50 one, I think, was like, it was like brand new. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. I put it in my cart, and I'm a little thirsty. Sorry about that. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it in my cart, and when I get money, I'm gonna buy it. So that's what I did. I put it in my cart. I put it in my cart, and I look one more time. So I typed in on Google. I typed in Melanie Martinez K-12 vinyl, and it popped up for $75. I said, oh my gosh, I've never clicked on something so fast. And the original price was $130. I said, oh my gosh, it's a sign. It's a sign. It's discounted for me. So I bought it. I've never clicked on something so fast. I bought it on Wednesday. Today's Friday. It got here in 2 days.
2 days? Are you kidding me?
So to the lovely person who sent me this, I thank you for wanting to sell your vinyl. And she's, I don't know ooh, it smells really good. Whoever's house this was in smells really good. Like, really good. This reminds me of, like my childhood, okay? I don't know why I just, like, started sniffing it, but I opened it and I just got a waft of it. Anyways, enough of me talking. Let's open this beauty up. Are we ready? I don't think I'm ready. Look at her! Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. Look at that gatefold. Bro. I could actually shed actual tears, like literal tears. Bro. It's literally, like, it's so Melanie. It's so Melanie. It's so weird saying my own name. It's so Melanie, though. Like, it is. Like, it's so dramatic for no reason. But, like, that's what Melanie does. Okay, she said that the book does have a little bit of damage, which I did see it on the picture. She did show that there's, like, a little rip in it, which is perfectly fine because I can easily tape that back together. Yeah, see, there's a little rip right there, but that's fine. Oh, my gosh, this is so freaking cute. And next, I'm actually, while I'm at it, I'm gonna pre-order Portals right now because I am not about to go through this hassle again. I'm gonna pre-order Portals off of Amazon because once I get Portals, I don't have to worry about anything else. I can just get my Crybaby Deluxe version and I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be set. I'm gonna be set on Melanie Martinez Records. Oh. I could just cry. I can't believe people, like, just choose to sell these. Like, why would you do that? This is literally one of my favorite albums besides Crybaby. Because Crybaby, I've literally been listening to that album. Listen, this is really bad because I shouldn't have been listening to her at such a young age. I've been listening to Melanie Martinez since 3rd grade. I'm a junior in high school now. Do you know how long that's been? I think when I first listened to, the first song I listened to by Melanie Martinez was Dollhouse. And I think it had, like, just came out at the time. Maybe not just came out, but I think it may have came out, like, a year before that, maybe. I'm not sure. But it was a pretty recent song when I first listened to it. And I don't even know how it came on. I was just listening to music, I think, and it just randomly came on. And I ended up liking the song, and I just listened to, like, a whole playlist full of her music. You know what? Crybaby probably came out like a couple years before that, but let's look through the booklet, shall we?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, play, right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body takes that you do know, but we'll never fall out of
let us open the... Hold on. Let me put this back. I didn't expect it to be so heavy, honestly. Let me... Hold on. 1 second. I have wheels on the bus on my head now. Okay, now let us open the beautiful vinyl. So this is just the regular pink pressing, which I am in love with. I think it's a baby pink. Oh, it's a little sticky. Oh, there's some hair on it. Okay, that's fun. This is so freaking pretty, dude. Oh shit. Oh my god, there's a hair on it and I just have to touch the grooves for that. There's a little dust on it, but that's okay. I'll clean it in a minute. Jeez, there's a lot of hair on it. She was a brunette. Or they were. Anyways, here is the pressing. This is side A. And it has wheels on the bus, class fight, the principal, show and tell, nurse's office, drama club, and strawberry shortcake on this side. And then lunchbox friends, orange juice, detention, teacher's pet, high school sweethearts, and recess on side B. Oh, this is so freaking pretty. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off in a minute once I play it because it needs to be played. And now that I have this, I'm gonna literally buy some shelves and hang this up because it needs to be hung up. I love that I have this now. I hope it's not scratched. She didn't say anything about it being scratched, so hopefully it's not wrong with that. Now, I'm sure you guys are bored of me now, so let's go play this freaking Melanie Martinez album. Okay. So I know you can't see anything. I don't know where my tripod is. Again, I lost it. Again. I think it might be back there or in my bathroom, but yes. Sorry, I got a notification. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the vinyl out. Bro, this person's house smells really good. I said it before, I said it again. This class, cool. Okay, let me turn my record on. Or my record player. So side B, side A. So just set it on there. You can't see, but it's on there. And lift my thingy up and set it down. Give it a minute to play. I can't even comprehend right now! Guys, it works perfectly for right now. I had to pause it, but okay. Anyways, literally, dreams come true. That's all I have to say. Dreams come true. I have literally been dreaming about this vinyl. Like, literally. I'm not even joking. I literally dream about this vinyl. Like, I literally have dreams about getting this vinyl from the store. But there it is. Right there. My dream literally came true. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go make some ramen. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!